Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. My name is Troilus Moss, the owner and creator of Top Ad 101 Marketing. And today we're going to talk about how to use video to promote your network marketing business. Using video marketing to attract targeted network marketing prospects is not only genius, but a necessary piece of the puzzle if you want to build momentum with a dedicated team of leaders. In fact, by focusing on only one medium, you can build your team of leaders who are experts in their respective fields. This allows you to stay on top of your game, develop your team, and lay claim to the marketing crown. Use video to promote your network marketing business. Video marketing allows you to be noticed. Not only are you being noticed, but you're providing quality information in a very memorable format, which can be remembered for a very long time. This is something network marketers all over the world struggle with, as their campaigns are noticeably short-lived and not very noticeable, making them no different from every other marketing campaign out there. Using videos to find network marketing prospects not only brings in targeted leads, but it builds quality leaders who are experts in their own fields. Leaders who lead in the right direction as you shape your network marketing business. With an ever-changing online marketing landscape, videos provide you with the most trusted resource you have. This creates sales and momentum, as people will remember the kind of information you share with them. Video marketing has proven to be the best form of marketing today. Advantages of video marketing. Another huge advantage of using videos to promote your network marketing business is that videos can easily be shared and spread on social media. Doing this gives you easy access to potential clients. By using the right keywords, videos can even be embedded on your website, which makes them easy to find and easy to access. By creating an account with social media websites like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, you have total access to the entire web. All you have to do is enter a few keyword searches that pertain to your network marketing business. All sites will provide the results, making it quick and easy. Making videos is not as hard as you may think. Most computers today have free software that is extremely easy to use. Windows Movie Maker comes to mind. This software is a must for any PC user, as it comes with tons of templates and tutorials for you to use. I've used it for a few years and it's quite easy to use. You can even use it for your first time videos as well. Create your branded logo. The next step is to choose a background or choose an image that is meaningful to your business or even start your business. This will let your prospects know that you are a professional, you know what you're doing, and that you're in this for the long run. An example would be choosing a logo. There are a few great logos that you can choose from. One is the Apple logo or the Pepsi logo, or even choose your own company logo as an example. If you are serious about network marketing though, create your own branded logo or logo of a law firm or practice that you like that would be meaningful for you. Strategy for creativity. Finally, you want to know that your viewer has the vision to fully enjoy what you're offering. You want them to know that you're a professional, you know what you're doing, and that you're in this to make money. You want to give them that experience. One effective way to do this is to tell your viewer you're a commercial. If your commercial is acceptable to use profanity, if you're using it to sell your business or as a style or as a message. If you do not feel comfortable, do not use it. One thing that you will notice with videos is that it is acceptable to use more colorful language in a video than in some articles. Having a video is more effective than reading an article simply because video demonstrates to the reader how to do something. Whereas if you read an article, you may forget how to do it, right? This video also gives you more credibility, which especially is important for gaining the business of anyone. If you look around, you will see tons of businesses getting tons of benefits, and yet no one is talking about it. It is because they don't have a video to promote it. If you have a video, people know who you are already. You already have someone they can do business with and get benefits from. To get more information about video promoting, you'll find the links below in the description. Please share, like, and comment.